Hello guys, this is Angie. How are you today? How are you doing so far? Well, I am so fine, and yes, I am here again to share with you my recipe, guys. So you can see here inside this video the ingredients and the methods, guys. So let's get started. So let's dive inside the video. So today guys, we have slices of beef. We're making a ginger spring onion stir fry beef, guys. So this is how the slices, guys, is thin. So here we go. This is the beef. Then we have the ginger slices and onions. One whole onion is small size, guys, and I cut already here the spring onion, guys, later on. And this one first we need to marinate for half an hour with a pepper, dash of sesame oil, corn flour, and light soya sauce, guys. So get started to cook, guys. Let's cook with the oil. 1 to 2 tablespoon oil, and then throw in the ginger, guys. And now the marinated beef. It will fry till 70% cook. Then add the onions. Then we add the seasoning, guys. We put some. I'm using oyster sauce and shao wine. This one, guys. So this is now my stir fry ginger spring onions beef, guys. Wow, nice the smell. So let's try. Looks, guys. Sarap. Wow. Wow, so soft, so tender. So yummy. What's up, guys? You try, guys, to make this one. I will write the ingredients and the methods under the description box below, guys. Wow. Yeah, yummy. Nice, guys. Okay, guys. Mm. Mm. So soft, guys. The meat really, really tender. Please give thumbs up, guys. Please subscribe and please write comments down below so that I will know also your opinion about this recipe, guys. Thank you, guys. So hope you like this recipe video shared to you guys, and hope you uh, hit the button likes and write comment down below, and please subscribe down below or just click the subscribe button within the video, guys. And thank you so much for your support, and always be kind in life. And yeah, so see you next time again, guys. And just check down the recipe, full recipe, methods and ingredients, guys, if you wanna do so or to try. Okay, guys, bye.